There we go, B58, man. Intake, downpipe, MAD exhaust. I'll get this up. Definitely approve, bro. Bro, just now it felt so freaking crazy. So the first time I drove this car, ladies and gents, I didn't get to wind down the windows because it was just tinted. It was only just bought. That video has 200,000 views.
Oh damn.
Yeah. So now we're driving it on E50, downpipe, stage 2, right?
Intake, exhaust,
and mad exhaust.
Master your part in design.
Some nice ass wheels. Bro, how the car looked then compared to now make it look ugly then. And it wasn't ugly. When we just saw it, it looked good. But after the mods, it's like, holy shit.
After I put my little touches
yeah, and as he like to say, he's only 55% done.
He's looking to get an M5 competition.
Yes, sir. Pre-LCI.
Why is my car that fast, yo? What the fuck? Yo, this is the first time I'm in a passenger seat in the car.
Damn, them pops. Them pops sound crazy.
But yo, I forgot to press record.
I lied.
On my phone.
It went sideways, bro.
It did.
A lot sideways.
I told you it was gonna go sideways.
It went a lot sideways, bro. I was like, what? Machine! Yo, Mr. YQ always I get so jolly when I drive this, guys.
Yo, I'm scared, bro.
Scaring fast like Prince in his toes off for a machine.
Whoa.
Bro, that was crazy. It's all-wheel drive,
now
folks.
I see what my passengers feel like.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's what they feel, sir. But never yet know for do that. Oh, you just go to the right and it comes up? Damn, I see 10 G-force. That should go 10 with dead. Bomba! You see that, guys?
Oh, that's
okay. 8,000 horsepower.
Man had extra zero on it.
8,000 horsepower, I believe it. Bro, I read second gear 4,000.
Like up
Like what you always say. Bro, you hear the turbo a while ago? Holy shit. Bro, I want to feel launch. How do you launch it?
You just
left foot brake, floor gas. And it can launch in S, right?
Yeah.
It will shift for me in S?
By itself,
okay. Because I want it to shift by itself, guys, because the car is always faster than you. I've learned. That's so quick. Okay. That actually like 600.
It's like 550. Cut that out.
Shit. Bro, that actually something to me a while ago, you know. I feel that a while ago, I'm not gonna lie.
Don't launch it too many times.
No, not launch it again at all. Bombard. Hey, buddy.
Bombard. Yo, what the frick? Why is this so fast?
And that was upshifting early. Bombard the pops them. Bro, that's when. Bro.
If you want it to pop a lot, make it like, you know, downshift up to like 4,000. That's what it was like. Because if it downshifts too high, it's not gonna pop.
We should have went right here. It would have done good for it if it's popping at 6,000.
Yeah, anywhere above 5,000 is not good for it.
Bro, what? You're the turbo?
Come on, that was so long.
What Machine!
God.
Machine!
Machine.
Holy shit, bro. Holy shit.
Bro, is everything going so fast?
Bro, what? It feels so nice. I think it smells the E. Just stay like right here, man. Make sure you hear the intakes. Just go up a little bit, yeah. I can hear echo. Holy shit. I can hear echo off his car. Boom! I hear the flutter that. Hear it, that. Holy shit.
Idiot!
Really, sir?
Oh,
really,
no,
sir? Really, sir?
Where are you?
Pop! Fuck yourself.
Approved.
So we do it. You see me?
It's authorize it.
Me I tell you authorize it.
Yeah, man.
Machine! Definitely approve, bro. I no question, dog. Machine go on good, boy. Machine go on good. It came such a long way.
Yo,
you know what I'm saying? Big
difference from when you first drove.
Yeah, cause when I first drove, I could barely hear it because I couldn't wind down the windows or whatever.
Yeah.
No, bro. I love the turbo friggin' sounds too. The exhaust doesn't overpower the turbo. I can still hear the when it spools up.
Everything.
The exhaust sounds really good too.
You want to hear something?
What?
I'm gonna put it in comfort mode, and you're just gonna hear the upshifts.
Okay.
When you start going again.
Oh shit! Traction stay off in comfort.
Yeah, it'll stay off in comfort. Oh, it had to be higher RPM.
Oh, higher RPM. Okay.
Space.
Then even in comfort, we need space.
Even in comfort.
Bomba the turbo!
Yeah, man.
No, dog.
The turbo like it dropped off the
Yo, bro. When you upshifted just now, the turbo.
Yeah. And you hear the upshift fart more because like it's more of a lag.
Yeah.
Yo, what?
Yo. Bro, I like it so much. Alright, I can't wait to get that Beamer now. I can't wait to get that Beamer now. I can't wait to get that Beamer now. Bomba, brother. Okay, yes. Beamer settings, ladies and gents. This is why they say when your friends buy a Beamer, you buy a Beamer because they make you drive the Beamer.
Yeah.
And you realize, say, yes, you need a Beamer. Hold on, they have to ease off.
You want sport mode again?
Anything. Go sport plus
Ego.
again.
No.
Bomba! See, have gas for it. Sport plus. JR, I try following them, make me keep on forget about JR. You think I pop them, bro? The damn turbo sound. That shit sounds so amazing.
Everything, bro.
Alright, we have to slow it down. Oh, yeah. We are up everything today.
Everything is good.
Break! He did it. No more, my boy. He did it. The brakes are there.
Like a brake alarm system.
Bomba. Beep, beep, beep. You want to see if it is in my IG? Bro, the turbo noises. I hope it can pick up on camera. When you're driving, it can pick up on camera?
Yeah.
But the turbo noises. It sounds so crazy. You hear when it goes into boost, you hear when it blow off.
They put all the windows down.
All the windows down?
All of them. Drop everything.
Pull on the tunnel or downshift first.
Downshift. Remember what RPM was saying.
Yeah.
Slow down a little bit.
No, that's echo!
Slow down a little bit more. And then downshift this up. Yeah, you're a little bit too high. You're a little bit too high in RPM.
Oh, man, I feel like right on the tree. Oh, sir, you're good. I feel sorry. The E smells so nice. You can close the message. it gets so quiet. You know, you can have a conversation in this car, bro. I really like this M340, guys. Go subscribe to Fast Life Prince. Check out his video as well, because his car is sick, bro. I can hear it's like it gets so quiet in here and the sunroof is open. But check out his channel for sure, guys, because his videos them nice. His videos are nice. And this M340, it speaks for itself, man. You see how much fun we're having in it. You see the speeds it's getting up to. And we just drove a manual GT350, manual V8, and this felt faster. I ain't gonna lie to you. Machine, it's say.
Catch your lunch. What? Ready?
Holy shit. Yo, this car feel nice, dog. This car feel nice. Bombard. Hi, boy. Yeah, youth. I like the M340, guys. I like it. The pops, the bangs, the turbo freaking noise. The turbo noises this car make is nothing short of freaking amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna try and, you know, play with it a little bit around this corner. You know what I'm saying? Still the limits, of course, but let's see. We ain't gonna try it too much because we don't want to drift it too much. It is on the nice wheels, the show car look, so we don't want to drift it too much, right? Because, you know. But boy, oh boy, I'm gonna try and see if it can kick out. Maybe second gear can make it kick out a little bit. I can. I like it, man. Oh my, I like it, bro. I like it. Jeez on peas. I see why my damn boy Q has so much fun in this car, because it's freaking fun, bro. Interior is so nice. The screens, double screens type beat, the full digital. You know, I feel rich. Is that okay, Q saying I wanna G80? Okay, G80. Wonder if I can play with the G80. You guys think the G80 will play with me? I hope so. I hope so. Please, G80 be going where I'm going. Please, G80. We ain't gonna bother drift it. We're going to race that G80. A white M4, a white M340. This ain't stock, sir. Let's see what that thing do. Alright, we gonna make one last kick out. Oh shit. Holy shit. Look at boy run. We just tripped the car, dog. The little boy run to fuck. Yeah, machine. Guys, let me pop it and show you guys what we're working with, man. Here's the M340, you know what I'm saying? MAD exhaust, carbon everywhere, those rims look really nice too. Interior, you've seen it, boy JR. There we go, B58, man. Intake, downpipe, MAD exhaust, and you know, little unruly, you know, call it unruly machine. Check out him. That's his YouTube, Fast Life Prince. Make sure you guys check it out, man. That thing was sick. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. See y'all in the next one. Bye bye.